taking your SST class, 5th standard SST class, 3rd lesson climate. Yesterday, in the previous class, we have studied about the climate, weather, how it changes from one place to another place, and it is changing. In the morning it is different climate, afternoon it is different, and evening it is different. Like that, there are 3 types of zones. I told you: climatic zones, torrid zone, temperate zone, and frigid zone. Yes, when we go to the poles, there it is becoming cooler, so it is called as frigid zones. Yes, now let us talk about the other factors which affect the climate. The high level above the sea level. High above the sea level. Yes, when you sea level means, sea means what? The ocean or sea. How is the climate there? Yes, the higher we go, the colder it gets. The areas located at higher altitude have cold climate. As you go on high in the space, high if you go, what is happening? Temperature is cold there. Yes, but as you go high from the sea level, the climate is cold there. Yes, we know that the most of the mountain peaks and are covered with ice. As you go on high, the mountain peaks, you can see the Himalayan peaks. When you go on the Himalayan peaks or when you go up on the hills, you feel the climate is very cold. So people in summer season, they like to visit hill stations. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಸಿಲು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. Their temperature is low, so people prefer to go to hill stations in summer season. On the below the sea level, what is happening? The sun rays is more. You are feeling high. You are feeling warmth. You are feeling the high temperature is there. So people like to visit the hill stations in the summer season because it is very cold in that place. This is because the temperature at the higher altitude is very low. This is because the temperature when you go to the higher altitude, it is low. This example, why hill stations such as Munnar, Ooty, Shimla, Nainital and Darjeeling, these are the hill stations. Hill stations means they are ಗುಡ್ಡದ ಮ್ಯಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಲೋ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. ಎಸ್, ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಹಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ. ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದೇ? ಮುನಾರ್, ಊಟಿ, ಶಿಮ್ಲಾ, ನೈನಿತಾಲ್, ದಾರ್ಜಿಲಿಂಗ್. Now let us go to the other factor, the wind. Wind is also it is affecting the climate. Wind. Places are affected by different wind system. Yes, wind is caused by even heating of the air around the earth. So wind means what? When there is a blowing air, that is called wind. What is wind? The blowing air is called wind. So this wind differs from place to place. Yes, it is differing from place to place. So wind is if the wind is heating, if the sun rays is there, then the wind is hot. It is heated. Yes, that air is heated. And you are getting a warm air. Warm air rises and it is replaced by the cold air. So when the air is heated, what it happens? It rises. Yeah, when you boil the water in your house, you see from flumes. They are passing up high, very fast. Yes, they are passing or no? ಉಗ ಹೋಗ್ತಿರ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಹೀಟ್ ಆದರೆ, ಏರ್ ಹೀಟ್ ಆದರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ? ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. This produces the wind which contains heat and moisture. Thus, it affects the temperature and humidity of the area, causing change in the climate. So, next factor is the distance from the sea. So, if you are near to the sea, you find hot. Yes, the place closer to sea have moderate type of climate as compared to the located in the interior. If they lie on the same altitude, this is because water heats and cools comparatively slow than the land. So water, it is heating up slowly and also it is cooling up slowly. But land, it heats up fast and also cools fast. When the warm air over the land area is replaced by the cool air from the sea, the breeze is cool. So the sun rays is falling on the sun, on the land and also on the sea. And the air on the land area, it heats up. When that heated air rises, the cool air from the sea breeze, from the sea replace. Heat warm air ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ? ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೈತಿ, ರೈಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಕೋಲ್ಡ್ ಏರ್ ಬಂದಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. Yeah, next one is the humidity. What is humidity? Yes, you feel warm, you feel hot in summer season. Though you are not under the sun, you feel hot. Means the atmosphere is humid. Huh? Humid means there is temperature in the air around you. Yes? So humidity is the presence of water vapor. Huh? Humidity is the presence of water vapor. Water vapor, can you see the water vapor? No, you can't see water vapor. Yes, water vapor in the air. Thus, the degree of humidity of a place related to the distance from the sea. Now, winds blowing over the sea collect moisture and make a climate. So, wind blowing from the sea that collect the moisture and make the climate go in the coastal area where humid. That is why the humidity in Thiruvananthapuram is higher. Yes, because of this humidity, the climate near the Thiruvananthapuram, where it is a coastal area, the Kerala, that is a coastal area. So that coastal area, Thiruvananthapuram is very high than the Bangalore. Bangalore is where it is interior, and Thiruvananthapuram it is in the coastal region. So the heat, the sun rays, that you feel humid in the coastal region, but not in Bangalore because it is interior of the state. Yeah. Now we have finished this lesson here. Yes. How does climate differ from place to place and why it differ? You have learned the different temperate zones. Yes. And today's homework, I ask you to do. You read the lesson first. Read the lesson. As I told you, you complete the new words and also you draw this table colorfully in your fair book. You draw this table. By seeing this table, you can understand the lesson easily and try to answer this. Correct the tick answers and the answers. You try to find out them and write in your rough book. When I send them, you can write in your fair book. Okay, Surya? Okay, thank you. I think you have completed your 2 lessons and this is the 3rd lesson. As you go on writing, you learn them. Learn them and become perfect in that. Don't know when we will take test. That time you don't become panic. Try to read lessons. Okay, children? Thank you.